Hey, what's going on, Real World PDR family? Today we're going to take a look at some tools that didn't necessarily blow me away when I first got them, but now with the addition of some new handles, are now some of my favorites. So Anson has come out with all of these hub tools. Lucky for me, I actually have the whole collection, way too many to do in one video, so I'm going to focus on what is my favorite, especially if you're on a budget and you're looking to start your hub tool collection. Let me show you why these tools are so damn badass.
Hey, what's going on? This is Jim with Real World PDR. Today we're going to take a look at some of these Anson hub tools, especially these tactical handles. Lately there's been a lot of coverage on this inline handle. Now, I really like it, it's really great, but I think there's a really cool option for somebody on a budget. I'm going to show you why the tactical T-handle is actually my favorite of the bunch. We're also going to take a look at the double shot from Anson today. Now this is a tool that hasn't gotten a whole lot of coverage, but I feel like it deserves it. It's a really versatile tool that is great if you're going to be doing hail or even route work. So this is the double shot from Anson. Now this isn't a brand new tool design or anything, but when we combine it with the T-handle here, you're going to see how cool and how versatile this tool is. So the double shot from Anson comes in 6 different sizes. The largest two actually make pretty dang good hail rods. Now with this T-handle here, not really magic. Attach that, and now you've got pretty obviously a pushing rod. So that's pretty much a no-brainer, how to use the T-handle and the double shot as a straight pushing tool. Now, here's what's so cool about this T-handle. Watch this. So, if I add this to one side, just like that, maybe adjust this handle a little bit, bada bing, bada boom, I've now created a door tool out of the same setup of tools here. So there's actually a door ding down here to work on. Now, this works great as a door tool now. It might not have the same kick as, let's say, the door lords, but it definitely gets you there and it definitely provides plenty of leverage. Now, if you're working a high volume, let's say auction deal, or you're working in hail, the longer you can keep one tool in your hand, the better. So I just went from a straight pushing tool to now, I've turned this into a very, very functional door tool. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to use just this T-handle and just use the double shot tools, and I'm going to fix as much of this lightly hail damaged vehicle as I can. You're going to see how functional and versatile this thing is.
So over the course of this video, you're going to see me use the same set of tools and the same handle for almost every open area that was damaged on this car.
All right, so same tool I just fixed that fender with. Now I'm going to be using straight pushes. So change that up. There's 26 positions to choose from here. I just need one that's flat. Now I could push these dents on the roof here.
Now, of course, you're gonna need more than just these tools to fix an entire hail damaged vehicle. These can't replace things like whale tails and brace tools and glue pulling, all of which I'll show you how to do at www.realworldpdr.com. But every single open area on this vehicle I was able to fix with the double shots and the tactical T-handle. Furthermore, the double shots are shaved all the way down to the end, so you can actually squeeze them in between bracing in some areas. Being able to change the position of your handle improves ergonomics and is going to save you on fatigue, which of course in the moment will help you work faster and more efficiently, but will also extend your career. The double shot comes in 6 different sizes, so regardless of what kind of damage you're working on, there's probably a size that will fit your needs. The double bend means that you'll have ample leverage when working in fenders and enough kick to work indoors as well. So as far as versatility, these tools are damn hard to beat.
So there's not really any quarter panel dents to show off on this one, but I did have one earlier that I used the double shots and the T-handle to get, so I snaked it through the taillight opening here. Now, I didn't have enough room to use this as a direct push, so I had to twist. I was all the way up in here. Now, what's cool is, of course, use that T-handle set up like this, and then they also have this extension if you decide to purchase it, which just screws in like that. So you can see here, if I'm working all the way up there and I need some good, strong, controlled leverage, this thing, it's really hard to beat that. Okay, so in this video, we took a look at the tactical T-handle from Anson and the double shots from Anson. All of the hub tools from Anson are really, really cool, but I understand that it's not in most people's budget to buy the entire set at once. So if what you're looking for is the first set of tools that you're gonna buy to start your hub collection, I would absolutely recommend starting out with the double shots. When you're working in a high volume, let's say an auction environment or a wholesale account, keeping one tool in your hand for a long time that's this versatile and this functional is gonna speed you up and make you more money. And hopefully now you see why the tactical T-handle is also a super versatile functional tool. You have 26 different positions you can put this on your tool. Furthermore, whenever you change this grip around a little bit, now it might not be quite as good as the Gorilla Grip, but it's damn close. So if you're trying to ball on a budget, man, totally the double shots and the tactical T-handle, that is the way to go. I think hub tools are the future of PDR tools, because with only a few handles, you'll have hundreds of options to make your tools more versatile. If there's one thing that I would say would improve these hub sets, it's just this. I would like to see some kind of color coding system on the hubs themselves. That way, if you have a tool in a tool cart, you can easily recognize which one you're grabbing. When you have them all displayed like me, not really a big deal, but most people don't have that luxury and they're working out of tool carts.
Check the description of this video and I'll post a link of exactly where to get these Anson tools. Also, make sure you log on to realworldpdr.com, home of the best damn online PDR tutorials available. Also, Anson, my new employee Chris wants a t-shirt, size extra large. Thanks.